spend most of my time alone, which might sound cool to you, and it might be sometimes, but it's not always that way. Okay, let's just change the side. Yeah, so it does get lonely sometimes, but should we actually just say it's loneliness? No, because we won't name it like that. But whatever it is, I'm gonna share you few tips through which you might feel good in your own company, which I have tried, and it does work sometimes, and it might work for you as well. So let us dive deep into it, and let's know what are the things which you may try, which will help you to be happy in your own company, and it will also help you to somehow be productive. So this is gonna be a very interesting things you could follow. Let's move. So the first and foremost thing is find that light. Now, what does that find that light really mean? So let me tell you, in my perspective, I am really fond of lights. Like, I see lights blinking somewhere and I'm already in love with it. So the only thing I love about Diwali are the lights which are blinking everywhere. It just somehow makes me feel very good, and it might work for you as well. So what you have to do is you need to find that light and actually spend some time in that light. Just look at it and you will already feel much more good than you are. All you need to do is find that source, and for me that source is the terrace I stay, and this terrace is on the 7th floor, and it literally just is very bright in the night. So the most lovely time to come here is during the night. You see all these lights and it somehow makes you feel better than you feel earlier. The next thing is exactly what we are talking about, which is spend time with yourself alone. Now, no matter how difficult it gets, or whether it's not even that difficult, or it's not even difficult, you do interact with at least 2 or 3 members in a day, at least on the call. So, what I mean by spending time with yourself alone is by no gadgets, no phones, nothing, no music, nothing. You just have to spend time with yourself. Maybe just go on a walk, or maybe just simply stay there, stay still. Now, this is because you might not have the clarity in your life. Now, what does that clarity means? Maybe you are not sure about what you want to do in your life, or maybe you don't even know what are the things you have to put efforts in order to do well in your life. Now, if you are really gullible and you easily get influenced by people like me, you need a lot of time spent with yourself. Now, maybe it might take 10 days, 20 days, or a month, but you will eventually get to that point where you do know, or you do have a little bit of clarity about what you need to do, and it is going to help you a lot. And this is why you have to do it, because once you have the clarity about what are the things you have to do, it does make you feel better. It does make you feel like there is some purpose in your life. So that is why you have to spend some time with yourself alone in order to know that what you really want to do, at least in the present. That's what matters, right? The next thing is have that walk alone. Now, by alone is that you do not take your cell phone with you, and even if you do take your cell phone, don't put your headset on. Now, I might be contradicting my own life by saying this, because I do spend a lot of time just being on my phone, which is a really bad habit. You need to get over it, because it really brain fogs you and you have no clue about what you have to do. So yeah, that is something apart from the thing we are talking about. Try to try to not use your digital device for a very long time. So what you really need to do is just have that walk. Now for me, this is something that has actually helped me to actually get clarity about things. Now I actually did this because I was really exhausted by internet. I couldn't really take it anymore. I couldn't listen to any music. I couldn't hear any podcast, which I don't usually do, but I just wanted to sound cool. But yeah, I didn't wanted to scroll. I didn't wanted to waste my time. I was just really exhausted by all this internet, and that is why I decided to walk all by myself on my terrace. And when I was doing that, it actually gave me a bit of clarity that making this video is one of the things that is on my mind for a very long time, and that is why I did make this video. And that is the reason why I am telling you to do this, because this actually helps, it actually works, it helps you to get a clarity about what you really want to do. So this is something which you should try. Have that walk all by yourself. Let's move to the next topic. Our next point is do that thing even when you don't like it. Now by that I mean that do that thing which is actually useful to you. Maybe that is learning that one skill which you are postponing just because you are lazy or you just don't feel like doing it. This feel like doing it is something जिसका मैं बहुत लंबे समय से शिकार रह चुकी हूँ, and you should not do it. You should not. Just simply do that work which you have to do, because people might take anything from you, but they can't take away the experience, the skill that you possess, which you have possessed by working very hard. And that is why just work on it, and it will really be helpful to you. And by that I mean do it even when you don't feel like it, because you know, when you say yourself that you are going to do something and you don't really do it, it actually affects you, it actually makes you really sad, and it is the reality. You do feel bad, and that is why you need to take action towards something that you really have to do, because it really sucks when you are not doing something. Because the worst thing to do is not keep a promise to yourself, because that is the thing which actually hurts you subconsciously. And that is why I would tell you to just do that thing. And that is it. These are the few things which you might do in order to have a clarity in your life, and which will eventually result in happiness. Because the one who is not happy with themselves can never be happy externally. You might try to find happiness everywhere, but at the end you have to come back to yourself and find out what is that thing you want. And that is why in order to do that you have to spend some quality time with yourself all alone. So that is it. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. And I'm really sorry for making this video at night with a lot of wind, but I really wanted to make this video, and I am going to upload it today. This is Sunday. I'll edit this video and post it, because I planned to post it within a week, but I didn't do it because I'm very lazy. But I will not break that streak. We are going to upload this on Sunday, and next video will be out next week, because we are going to maintain that damn consistency. And this is just a proof to myself that I can do things when I feel like. And the perfect time, it has actually started to rain. I think God actually wanted me to do this. So that is it. If you just need a proof that it's actually raining, look at my hands. Can you? Yeah, it's all wet because it's raining. Yay! See you in the next video. Bye bye.